Alright, we over here at Wegmans. A lot of people have been asking me, you know, is being a vegan expensive? I'm gonna show you guys that being a vegan is not expensive. And I'm gonna show you how to shop on a budget. What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always. Tell me what you doing for a dollar bill. I tell you I'm subduing opponent. I know in the moment I blew the nuances, ruin the moment too soon. Cause I'm coming from bronze and last place to placing a gold spoon to my T.I. Looking at me now, check out the kiosk. Come and shop with a G.I. Beyond, peon, sweet on, beyond, Ceylon, Dion, me and Leon, Nissan. Taking out we can see now. Big things popping T.I. What up? Cause I moved from a pawn to a chancellor. Man, you can't call me when I rip the spot. Money moves, go to me.
So we have a photo moment here.
Oh yeah. Fresh orange juice.
Yep.
Nothing but oranges, right? Smells pretty good.
Ingredients. Orange juice.
Orange juice. All right. Well,
we have these small batch machines that we use. So we squeeze it in small batches so it stays fresh for longer. We also apply cold water pressure to the bottles of juice to kill the bacteria rather than heat it like most pasteurization processes are. So it still keeps that nice fresh taste because we never heat it up.
that's really good. How much is this?
Well, this big one is $12, but then we got a $4 one and a $7 one.
How much? 12?
That's the big one.
All right, guys. First and foremost, you need onions. All right, you need onions to go ahead and flavor up your food. So we're gonna try get that $1.99. So got these 2 red onions right here. It's $1.99 per pound. So gotta look up the red onions. See that? So $2.95. See that? $2.95. Let's print that out there. Gotta have your food tasting good, man. I mean them bland ass rice and beans, man. Get some flavor. Alright. We out here. Alright, so normally I get organic bananas, but you know, since we're on a budget, 49 cents a pound. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and get I'll just message y'all, man. Just wanna get some pretty ripe bananas, man. It'll last you. Let's go weigh it real quick and see. Alright. Yellow bananas. Look at that. $1.39. See that? Let's print that. So my boy Rolin just made a good point. Come around here real quick. So these avocados are $1.49 each, right? But over here they're $4 and you get 4. So you're pretty much making, or you're pretty much spending $4 or $1 each compared to $1.49 each. Alright? So that's good right there. A little fucked up, but let's get a good bag. Alright. Alright, so normally I would probably get this kale blend or spinach already like pre-prep. Since we're on a budget, we gotta get it fresh. Damn, hold up. Let me see, hold up. Okay, so yeah, you get more over here. $3 for some kale. Where's the You cannot neglect greens, man. You have to get your greens in. There's micronutrients. You have to get them. So important. This is actually organic. We're gonna get some organic kale today. All right. Plant-based ice cream, man. Go ahead and show them this real quick. So, when I'm not on a budget, this is the aisle that I usually go down. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. got meatless meatballs. And then also, look at this, man. Veggie burgers. But this is $5.69. I'm not gonna mess with that. Remember, we're on a budget. Alright, so pasta. Pasta is really, really important. Alright. You don't get a lot of protein from pasta. I usually get whole grain, you know. So I'll probably go with the whole wheat or whatever. This is organic too, but it's only $1.49, so that's not that bad. Good train. So you want to get some pasta and probably some sauce. You know, you can make some chickpea spaghetti, just regular pasta. So I'm gonna find some sauce and I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so right here we got some roasted tomato and red wine sauce. If you're lucky, a lot of the labels will show that it's vegan. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. This is $2.79, so this will last me about a week with the spaghetti. So. All right, so I want to get this brown rice right here. It's $1.29, and also quinoa is really good when you're vegan. It's a good source of protein. So this is the tricolor. All right, so as you can see, the organic beans are 99 cents per can. All right, but we're gonna go ahead and get the conventional beans. So pinto beans. Oh man, I love pinto beans, man. Get some pinto beans. You know what I'm saying? Get some salsa, some whole wheat wraps, make some little burritos. 65 cents each. I'm also gonna get some, oh man, chickpeas. 65 cents each, 2 cans. All right. You know I gotta get the black beans, man. What are you talking about? 65 cents. So you're looking at what? What's that? $1.30? $1.30 each for 6 cans. $1.30, $1.30, $2.60, $2.60 plus $1.30, $3.90, man. $4 can't beat that, man. Like that math, man. So look, man. I'm gonna put y'all on real quick. This is vanilla almond milk. Way better than that cow's milk, man. Don't drink cow's milk. Don't do it. Get yourself some almond milk. All right, so for breakfast, I like to do oatmeal. Chop up some bananas, you know, put some stevia inside of the oatmeal, eat that up. So it is $1.99 for some oats. So this should last a while. We're sitting at about, if I were to guess, I'd say about $23 right now, $24. So we're gonna see what else we can get. So far, I mean, we got a good amount of food. So let's see what else we can find. All right, here we go right here. $2.79, whole wheat tortillas. Make those bean burritos. Put that in there. You want to come over here, grab some salsa. All right, $1.79. So now is the moment of truth, man. We're gonna see how much all this costs. All right, I'm hoping around $30 is what I'm guessing. Keep in mind, man, like if you're working at like a, you know, a minimum wage job or something like that, you're not gonna be there forever, you know. So a lot of this stuff that I got is like conventional. Like I didn't get organic bananas, but you know, once you get a better job or, you know, making some more money, you can get those organic stuff. But if you're on a budget, man, you gotta do what you gotta do. Excuse me. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get your non-organic beans and stuff, you know. So we're gonna go check it out and, you know, see what's good. Fingers crossed, man. Fingers crossed.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth, man. All right, y'all. So let me tell y'all something real quick, man. So me and my boy Rolin, let me see the camera real quick.
What up?
It's kind of dark. There he is. Me and my boy Rolin was checking out, and this lady comes up to us, is like, what'd she say? You can't be recording, you know, our employees or whatever. And I was like,
permission to record here.
yeah, you need permission to record here, all this other stuff. You know, luckily we got the whole video pretty much recorded, but I couldn't, you know, record us, you know, her scanning like the items and getting the final price. But I have the receipt right here. So our goal was $30 or less, right? So I ended up getting $33.57. You gotta see that. $33.57. And that's okay, man, to go over a little bit. When you set yourself like, you know, like a budget, like I'm gonna go in there with $30 or I'm gonna go in there with like $40, $20, whatever. As long as you get close to that number that you set, then that's completely fine. All right, also, one of my boys, man, he came out with his own clothing line. If y'all was wondering about this shirt that I wore during the video, talk to me. Let art be the change. You know, if you're into art and you think this is a pretty dope shirt, man, check it out. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Like I said, my boy started his own clothing line, and you know, I'm supporting him. So, you know, I think it's a dope shirt. I got a long sleeve on. I got it rolled up a little bit. It's kind of hot, but you know, it's a dope shirt. You know, fits nice. I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and if you found this video helpful, man, comment below. You know, if you need, if you guys have any questions, comment below, and I will see y'all next video.
What are you talking about?